In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to quickly set up and install the Reolink RLC-823A 16X. Before the setup, make sure you have the following items. Make sure your Reolink app is updated to the latest version. To power on your camera, connect the PoE switch to your router with an Ethernet cable. Connect your camera to the PoE switch with another Ethernet cable. The next step, add your camera to the Reolink app. And you have two options now: add the camera automatically or add it manually. To add your camera automatically, you need to make sure your phone is connected to the same network as the camera, and the Add Device Automatically option is enabled. Then you'll see your device on the screen. You can just tap it to enter the initialization page. If you choose to add the camera manually, tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the camera. Or tap Input UID/IP to type in the UID number or IP address. Or tap LAN to scan all the devices within the LAN and add your camera from the device list. Note that to scan the devices in LAN, you also need to connect your phone and camera to the same network. Lastly, initialize the camera. Create a login password and name your camera. To install the RLC-823A 16X, check if you have the following items. To ensure image quality, avoid pointing the camera to direct sunlight, mirrors, or glass windows. To install the camera on the wall, before the installation, you need to run the 3-terminal wire through the bracket. Next, lock the safety wire to the screw on the top of the camera. And then fasten the buckle to the bracket, so your camera can be firmly attached to its bracket. Then put the mounting template on the wall and drill holes at the marked positions. Install 2 screws into the upper 2 holes, and then hang the bracket over them. Install another 2 screws into the lower 2 holes to secure the bracket. Then screw the camera to the bracket firmly. To ensure a long-lasting performance of the camera, you can install the waterproof lid provided to cover the Ethernet cable connector and prevent water intrusion. Any questions about the setup and installation? Don't hesitate to tell us in the comment or contact our support team.